We'll guide you through how to make camera flash effect in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your After Effects so the workspace loads and you can begin right away. Import your footage inside the program so it sits in the project panel and is ready to place into a composition. After that, make a new composition by right-clicking the project bar on the left. Then select New Composition from the menu that shows up. Set your composition based on your like, including the basic layout and general settings you want to use. You can name the composition based on your like to keep things clear and easy to manage. Next, set the ratio, and for this guide I use 1920 and 1080 since it works well for most screens. Then set the frame rate based on your need, and here I use 30 FPS since it feels smooth for common edits. After that, set the duration based on your plan for the project. When all settings look right, click OK to create the comp inside the new comp. Drag and drop your footage into the timeline so you can start adjusting it. Then select your layer so the effect options load. Open the Effects and Presets menu on the right side. Inside the menu, search Lens Flare and add it to your footage by dragging it onto the layer. Set the lens type to 105mm prime so the flare looks stronger and cleaner. Turn on the lens brightness keyframe by clicking the stopwatch icon on the left. Set the first keyframe based on your like. Then set the second keyframe to 0 so the flare fades out. Select all the keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to make them smooth. After that, go to the Effects and Presets menu again and search Exposure. Add the effect to your footage the same way. Turn on the exposure keyframe by clicking the stopwatch. Set the first keyframe based on your like. Then set the second keyframe to 0 so the light drops back down. When that is done, search Fast Box Blur in the Effects and Presets menu. Add the effect to your footage so the blur settings appear. Turn on the blur keyframe and set the first value based on your like. Set the second keyframe value to 0 so the blur goes away. When all three effects are set, open the graph editor for each one and adjust the graph based on your needs so the move feels smooth and the hit effect looks clean in the final edit.